Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Dear children of class 7th CBSE, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today we will study chapter number 11, Transportation in Plants and Animals. Children, in the previous parts of the chapter, we had studied about the circulatory system and we had also studied about the blood. Now in this third part of the video, we will be studying about the blood vessels, veins, arteries, capillaries and the difference between the arteries and the veins. Blood vessels. Blood flows through our body in blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels which are present in our body, and they are arteries, veins and capillaries. Blood flowing through them transport different required substances to the cells and collects the waste materials from them simultaneously. It means the blood is flowing through our body, which is transporting the food as well as collecting the waste materials simultaneously. Arteries. The arteries are the blood vessels which carry oxygenated blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. Or in other words, we can say arteries carry the oxygen rich blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. Arteries have thick elastic walls since the flow of the blood is very fast and at high pressure. They are placed deeper under the skin and you cannot see your arteries. Veins. Veins are the blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood or the blood which is rich in carbon dioxide from all the parts of the body to the heart. Veins have thin walls. Valves are present in veins which allow blood to flow only towards the heart or only in the one direction. Veins can be easily seen as the greenish blue lines in our hands and legs. Nor all the arteries carries the oxygenated blood, nor all the veins carries the deoxygenated blood. There is a special type of artery that is called as the pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood or the impure blood or the blood which is rich in carbon dioxide from the heart to the lungs. Whereas the special type of vein which is called as the pulmonary vein carries the oxygen rich blood from lungs to the heart. Capillaries. The arteries divide into small branches which again divide into more smaller branches, and that is called as the capillaries. The capillaries join together to form large blood vessels called the veins, which empty into the heart. Now children, one activity for you all to observe the veins and feel the arteries in the body. Now try to look at an elderly person's hand. You can see certain greenish bluish lines. These greenish bluish lines that you see are the veins. Now you cannot observe the arteries because they are deeply situated and the veins are situated just under the skin. However, you can feel an artery by gently holding your right hand wrist with the fingers of your left hand. Somewhere in the middle of your wrist, you can feel throbbing movement. The point where you feel so is where an artery is located. This throbbing movement is called the pulse, and it is due to the blood flowing in the arteries. The number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. A normal resting person has a pulse rate between 72 to 80 beats per minute. Differences between an artery and the veins. Arteries are thick-walled, whereas the veins are thin-walled. Arteries carry blood from the heart to all the parts of the body, whereas the veins carry the blood from all the parts of the body to the heart. arteries are situated deeply under the skin, whereas veins are situated just below the skin. Arteries do not have walls. Veins have walls inside. Blood moves at higher pressure in arteries, whereas pressure is low, that walls are present to prevent the backflow of the blood in veins.